Kids, my kids here. The kids, clap your kids. Kids. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. How many kids? How many you got? Two kids. That's right. You love them? Okay, cool. All right, all right, all right. You hesitated. You hesitated. You hesitated. You hesitated. Here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. I might have a kid. All right. So, all right. Here's the story. Here's the story. It's a true story. True story. Years ago, this girl I barely knew sent a message on MySpace. And it's like, Jackson, first off, we hooked up. Very strong possibility you're the father of this beautiful boy. You know? That's real, man. So I deleted my MySpace. But then years later, same girl found me on Facebook. And said, Jackson, first off, I'm married now, have 2 other beautiful children, make plenty of money. All I want for you is come back to South Carolina, get a DNA test, see you be the father of this beautiful boy. And that's real. That's real. So I deleted my Facebook. I was scared. You know? I was scared, you know what I'm saying, brother? You know what I mean? But then years later, I got the conscience bothered me. I stopped feeling bad, you know what I mean? So I found the boy on Instagram and found him, and he's like super talented. He's like, all these videos he's playing basketball, he's like super tall. He's like dunking on people, it's crazy. One video has his arm around the coach from Kentucky. What's his name? Calipari? Calipari? I was like, goddamn. So I Googled the boy. Turns out he's ranked in the top 10 in the nation for 9th graders playing basketball. Nice. So I thought, you know, a boy needs a father. Boy needs a father, man. Boy needs a father. Boy needs a father, man. Father needs a son. Father needs a son. You know what I'm saying? So I was home in December recently, and met the boy. He's great, super tall, and got DNA test. But I didn't get the results until I came back to LA. And turns out, y'all, I'm not the father. Damn it, so close, so close. So I sent the boy a message on Instagram, DM'd him. I said, hey man, nice to meet you. Sorry it didn't work out. But I wish you good luck, you know, your future endeavors, you know, yada yada. And he deleted his Instagram. Maybe he is my son. And I was like, God damn, you know what I'm saying?